Political heat is rising ahead of the Rajya Sabha elections in Odisha after BJP MLA Babu Singh made a sharp claim that could alter the race. Speaking on Sunday, Singh said the numbers clearly place 2 Rajya Sabha seats firmly in BJP's camp, while the BJD appears secure only 1 seat. According to him, the real suspense surrounds the remaining seat where no party has a decisive edge. Singh suggested that this seat too may tilt towards the BJP as the contest progresses. He even hinted that shifting equations could further benefit his party. The BJP leader pointed out to growing unease within the BJD, alleging that recent disciplinary actions against its own MLAs reflect a deeper lack of trust in the party ranks. He argued that even though the BJD currently has a arithmetic for an additional seat, internal uncertainty and weak party cohesion could derail those calculations by polling day. MLA Babu Singh maintained that the BJP is well placed and confident, especially regarding the undecided seat, and said the evolving political situation could still spring surprises before voting takes place.
देखंतु सीधा गणित भारतीय जनता पार्टी पाखरे 2टी सीट निश्चित अछि एवं बिजू जनता दल पाखरे गोटे सीटर संख्या रही मु जानी नहीं से संख्या शेष दिन पर्यंत थिबो कि नथिबो जेमती भाबरे 2 जण विधायक को सस्पेंड कले सेही भली भाबे नवीन बाबू कोन राति रे तांका दलर सब विधायक को सस्पेंड कर देथिबे किछि ताधरे आश्चर्य होबार नाही दलर नेतृत्व राज्यर सभापति राज्यर नेतृत्व मंडली एवं केंद्र नेतृत्व संगे आलोचना करी के प्रार्थी हबो कि भली भाबे विजयर लक्ष्य रहइबो कि भली भाबे राज्यसभा को जीती हबो तार गणना बा ता गणित से करिवे मु भाबुची आमे 2टा तो निश्चित जीतुछु जोटा 4th कैंडिडेट सेही कथारे मध्य आलोचना कले भारतीय जनता पार्टी गोटे कंफर्टेबल पोजिशन रे अछि मु भाबुची 4th आसन मध्य हेई जाई पारे।